Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my top tips for reducing dark under eye circles without makeup. I hate the fact that I feel like I can't leave the house without makeup. Otherwise, people are asking me if I'm sick or if I got a black eye and was in a fight. My dark under eye circles are something I've struggled with my entire life. So my tips are going to focus on non-invasive techniques that are very easy to achieve and completely natural. I don't have time for cucumbers to sit on my eyes for 10 hours. Of course, makeup does a great job of covering up dark under eye circles, but when I wake up in the morning and my under eye circles are extremely dark, I feel like they're still very apparent underneath makeup, and I just don't want to have to wear so much makeup to cover them up. Everyone knows hydrating, not drinking alcohol, getting enough sleep, eating healthy are all ways to reduce the appearance of dark circles, but for people that have them as a hereditary passed on gene, that just doesn't do enough. So here are my top tips. Tip number one is coconut oil. It's natural, it smells good, it's inexpensive, and I just apply it every night. I glob it on generously around my eye, and I see noticeable differences in the mornings that I use the coconut oil versus ones that I don't. It hydrates and repairs the skin, and it's just gonna keep your dark under eye circles completely at bay. I will link this above and also in the description below. I prefer the organic coconut oil, and I get this on Amazon in a huge tub. My next tip is Sunless Tanner for your face. I recommend the Jergens Natural Glow. It comes in 2 different shades, and I was actually recommended this by another YouTuber who saw one of my other dark under eye circle videos, and it makes total sense and it definitely works. You can apply it day and night. You're of course going to want to test it and make sure you don't have any adverse reactions with your skin. But what it does is it basically applies a tint to your entire face, just evening out your overall skin tone and making the appearance of your dark circles less apparent. My last tip is to take collagen supplements and collagen peptides. This is a powder form, and this is a supplement that you take every day. I will link them in the video description below and also above. You can purchase them on Amazon, and I've used both of these products on and off for the past 5 years, and I definitely notice noticeable difference when I'm using them as compared to when I'm not using them. These products work from the inside out and are going to hydrate your skin and make your dark circles look less apparent, and also reduce the appearance of dry skin and wrinkles in general. I do like the peptide powders as well because they have a bit of protein, so I mix them in with my morning coffee. That wraps up my tried and true methods for reducing dark under eye circles naturally. If you have any tips you want to share with the viewers or any questions on any of the products that I mentioned in this video, definitely leave them in the comments below, and we will look forward to seeing you on the next video.